Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dewi Permata Syarif with my register numbers A1M223O42. Thank you for the opportunity to present my research proposal. Hello everyone, good morning. Today, I would like to present my research proposal entitled Anxiety and Self-Confidence as Predictors of English Education Students' Willingness to Communicate in English. The reason I chose this topic is because English communication is an important competency for English education students. As future English teachers, they are expected to communicate confidently in English. This study is important because willingness to communicate helps students improve their English communication skills through active participation in classroom activities. Recently, many students have experienced anxiety and a lack of self-confidence when speaking English. As a result, they are often reluctant to express their ideas or participate in classroom discussions. Based on previous studies, anxiety tends to reduce students' willingness to communicate, while self-confidence tends to increase it. Therefore, this study aims to investigate whether anxiety and self-confidence can predict English education students' willingness to communicate in English. Okay, next slide is research questions. The research questions of this study are: is there a significant relationship between anxiety and English education students' willingness to communicate in English? Second, is there a significant relationship between self-confidence and English education students' willingness to communicate in English? And the last, to what extent do anxiety and self-confidence predict English education students' willingness to communicate in English? And next slide is objectives of the study. The objectives of this study are to examine whether there is a significant relationship between anxiety and English education students' willingness to communicate in English, and second, to examine whether there is a significant relationship between self-confidence and English education students' willingness to communicate in English, and the last, to investigate the extent to which anxiety and self-confidence predict English education students' willingness to communicate in English. And next slide is scope of the study. This study focuses on English education students of the 2024 cohort at Halu Oleo University. This research is limited to investigating whether anxiety and self-confidence predict students' willingness to communicate in English. The independent variable are anxiety and self-confidence, while the dependent variable is willingness to communicate in English. Other factors such as linguistic competence, prior learning experiences, and classroom environment are not included in this study. And next slide is research methodology. This research employs a quantitative method using a correlational research design with multiple linear regression analysis. The participants of this study are all English education students of the 2024 cohort at the English Education Study Program, Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, Halu Oleo University. The sampling technique used in this study is total sampling, which means all students in the population are the research participants, and the data will be collected through questionnaires. The instruments used in this study are foreign language classroom anxiety scale to measure students' anxiety, and self-perceived communication confidence to measure students' self-confidence, and the last is willingness to communicate questionnaire to measure students' willingness to communicate in English. The collected data will be analyzed using SPSS through multiple linear regression analysis to examine whether anxiety and self-confidence significantly predict students' willingness to communicate in English. It is expected that anxiety and self-confidence significantly predict English education students' willingness to communicate in English. The researcher hopes that the findings of this study will help lecturers create a more supportive learning environment, reduce student anxiety, improve their self-confidence, and encourage them to communicate more actively in English. This study may also contribute to future research on psychological factors affecting students' willingness to communicate. Okay, in this conclusion, this study investigates whether anxiety and self-confidence can predict English education students' willingness to communicate in English. Okay, thank you for your attention, and I welcome any question or suggestion. That is all for my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.